excavator. And what's that?
A bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
That's a bulldozer just like that. Different bulldozer. That one is going fast.
And what's that?
That one is going fast.
Yes, it is. What's that one? What's that?
Those are people.
Those are the people that are figuring out the site. And I can move it. I did. I finished reading all that. Okay, so we need to move to the next one. What's this? You got to flip out things.
And the cement truck and wood and
Building begins. Okay, the construction site is getting really busy. Walls are beginning to appear, and the gaps for windows and doors. Buildings can be made. Buildings can be made from wood and even metal sheets, but these are being used with concrete blocks. See, look, this is a wall, and this is a place for a window. Look at this. This truck is a truck with cement blocks on it. He brings these big blocks off. And what's this?
A cement truck.
What's this that pulls out? Oh, this shows how the cement is made. See, it sits there and turns, you know, and pulls out and stuff, okay? And then...
Does that one have one?
No, that one didn't have one.